take one more example. Convert the given NDFSM to DFSM. This is a given NDFSM. From that you need to convert into DFA. So both they have given transition table as well. You can take any one of it. I'll create it. I'll take this first. I'll take it to the next slide. This is NFA. So start state of NFA is 1. You take it first. Okay. 1 on 0 is go to 1 only. 1 on 0 will go to the 1 only. 1 on 1 will go to the 2. Okay. So from start state, one more new state has created, that is 2. Okay. For that you need to find out that second transition for 2 on 0 will go to 2 as well as 3. Then you can create one more new state. Still 2 on 1 will go to 2. That means it is loop on that. From 2 we get one more new state, 2 comma 3. You can take 2 comma 3 on 0. Then you have to split like this. Delta of 2 comma 0 union delta of 3 comma 0. Right? So then when I 2 comma 0 you will get 2 comma 3. Then 3 comma 0 is 3. Then finally we will get 2 comma 3. That is, it will go to the same state. Right? 2 comma 3 only. Right? 2 comma 3 comma 1. Again you have to split. 2 comma 1 will go to the 2. And 3 comma 1 go to the 3. So union. So if you take both, it will be same. 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 3. That means 2 comma 3 will go to on 0 and 1 will go to the same state. From here, do you have any new state? 3 comma 0. So no need to take one more state for that. So you can, if you want, you can continue. 3 comma 0 will go to the 3. And 3 comma 1 will go to the 2 comma 3. Right? So now everything is over. Only there is no more new state as get it. So you have to stop the process and decide which is the final state. The final state are 3 as well as 2 comma 3. So this is the conversion from NFA to DFA.